Welcome to GSL Gym City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, located in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 GMC Acadia AT4 package. This is the off-road package that GMC has offered with the Acadia. Brand new for 2020. Exterior color is Summit White with the interior of jet black and Kalahari accents. This vehicle does have the 3.6 liter V6 mated to the new 9-speed automatic transmission. This brand new AT4 does come with the electronic parking brake button on the left hand side. On your steering wheel you do have your cruise control buttons as well as your audio control and speak to talk. This vehicle is brand new, only 8 kilometers on it. You do have your large 8-inch LED HD touchscreen for your audio as well as your navigation and your climate controls. You also have all your manual buttons. Now this is new for the GMC Acadias. Push button for your terrain. You got park, reverse, neutral, drive, low, and your low gears there. You have your outlets for any electronics. This vehicle does have the auto start and stop. Just a push of a button you can turn it off. Traction control button, parking assist button. This vehicle does have heated front seats. Your drive select 2-wheel drive or front wheel drive, 4x4, race and hill descent, as well as your hill descent cruise and your lane departure button. Beautiful interior with that bright brown stitching. Now this Acadia, being the AT4 trim level, does have some little benefits here. You got that black outline of the bottom of the vehicle around your arches and the rocker panels, and your 17-inch off-road rim and tire package with this vehicle. You do have LED daytime running lights in the front and in the rear, as well as dual chrome exhausts. You do have the roof rack on the top there as well. In the rear interior compartment of this beautiful Acadia, you do have the black captain's chairs with the outlets as well as the temperature control. The seats do fold down no problem, and you have room for 2 more, so this is a 6-seater SUV, as well as these back seats do fold down, so you have a big flatbed compartment in the back of your Acadia. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video of the 2020 GMC Acadia AT4. We hope to see you down at GSL Gym City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.